Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your girl, the Hustle Nay, back with another video. I know it's been a long time, but we're gonna unbox this KIARA Sky today, and I'm just so excited to be showing y'all my video. So as you can see, I have the Beyond Pro portable rechargeable LED lamp from KIARA Sky, and I also have the portable drill along with it. Okay, so we just want to gracefully look at this. Look at this, like, just look at the lights and all that. Like, my initial video, I was actually like showing you, talking to you, but I had so much background noise. I just rather do a voiceover. So here we go. So just, bear with me. Well, it came with the instructions manual. It came with the warranty. The packaging is everything. It did come with a charger. It came with the bottom plate that goes on it. Only thing I really had a problem was that maybe somebody who packaged it maybe scratched it. I may have scratched it. I don't know. I didn't have anything on to scratch it, so it was there. It was a little obvious to me. But everything else was perfect. The box was just amazing. Everything, all the details, all the 3D art, all of that. I did have such a great experience unboxing this. It just gave me so much hope and different ideas, because I'm moving from a room in my apartment to a actual building. So I will be doing a vlog video on that, and the process is going to take me to get it all rehab and looking good. But yeah, so that's the charger that comes with the light. Like I said, the light is rechargeable. The features on it are gorgeous. The holographic pink wrap is beautiful. The handle is so cute. And the fact that it glows, oh my god, I can't stress enough how bad I really like this lamp. And like, it is by far one of the best nail lamps I've ever purchased, and for the price, they give you your bang for your buck. Okay, so if you can see me, I'm slipping that down in there. That's because every lamp I've gotten, they don't have that slip. They don't have those grippers where you can slip that in there and it don't come off. I love this KIARA Sky. This is some banging products. I will never say that this isn't something that I would expect. I would expect the utmost from them. Okay, so it got the digital screen on the background. And I know you guys seen that. Everything is just so cute. Like, it's just everything. Like, I can't use it right now. So yeah, so it comes with a year warranty, and you have to register your product within 30 days of purchase. I already did both of my products, and I basically put them back in the box as best as I could and turn them off. So yeah, so I get to my new space. This will be on my desk. This is something that I am going to set up on my desk, and I just cannot wait. Like, I can't stress to you guys enough. The boxing, everything is just so cute, and it's very unique, and I think it's very glam, and I like glam. Next, you'll see me fiddle faddling with my nail drill. This is the KIARA Sky, the Beyond Pro drill. It too glows, and I think this is the unicorn limited edition. I'm not for sure, but I'm most certain that this is like everything that I wanted. It has the handle piece, it has the lightweight handle, it has a charger, it has a digital screen. I never had a drill with a digital screen, which is so bomb to me. It has the holster for the drill handle to go into, and it has the actual dock to dock this on your desk. Okay, so this is like boom boom bam, you know what I'm saying? Like, I really am like with this. Okay. I'm really messing with it. Okay, now mind you, um this is my first nail drill, and my first lamp from KIARA Sky, I never knew what the hype was about, and I see why. It's just girly. It's just what I need. Okay, it's what I need. You know what I'm saying? They did give me drill bits. They gave me the Sand and Man drill bit, and then it had a diamond top on it, so it has diamonds, like little rhinestones or whatever, in the top of the bit. And they gave me a fine drill bit. I don't remember the name of it. If you can like zoom in on it, you'll see. And it also too has a rhinestone inside of it. So I thought that was so cute. Everything was just like, man, get out of here. This is so bomb. Like, I think it's worth your money. And they also have like other payment options. Like, when you get on there, you'll see the payment options that they have, and just go for it. You can see me hooking it up. And this thing is light. Okay, I have a Mini Pro passport, and she's pretty hefty. She's chubby, but she works, and she's bomb. And I'm just happy to. I'm not retiring her for my KIARA Sky, but I'm retiring her from being on my desk. She'll be at like my pedicure bowl, at my pedi area, and my lamp that I have now will be there also, because it too is rechargeable and portable. So I will have those over somewhere else on a station, but not at my actual physical table, because I mean, who want to see these old, they've been through it. They've been through the trenches. And so I love my drills, and I'm excited to bring along my KIARA Sky on board with the rest of my, other devices. And so I think this is perfect for being on my desk. And so you can see there, like, okay, look, I started drilling the acrylic off of my nails because I had a set on. I'll insert that set here in a bit. But I had a set on, and I clearly removed it, and it was low vibration. It was no heat on the handle. It was just, it's bomb. It's bomb. It feels so sleek in my hand. It has the open unlock button. It actually has like a gripper handle. Now, that was one thing that my passport didn't have, was like a gripper handle. It had the slot for the the handle to go into, but it didn't have another extra piece just to secure it even more. And I like that. It's made for you to love, and I love it. Like I said, it's light. I think it goes to 35. Like, I think it's like RPMs or something like that, whatever the terminology is. Let me look. Yeah, 35K RPM. Okay, the battery life is 10 hours at full speed. The charge time is 2 hours. The battery capacity is 2000 mAh. The output is a DC 24V1A. Okay, and so 10 hours of battery life is damn good. Okay, and so I can't stress to you enough that I love this drill. I give it the utmost respect. It has a 10 out of 10 rating for me. 10 being the most that I love this drill. I love the packaging, and I love the product, and I cannot wait to use it. I am so excited for my new unboxing of my KIARA Sky. And as you can see, I am slowly putting this back together. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. And I just want to let everybody know that I do appreciate them getting on to my video, watching my video of my unboxing of this beauty. These two beauties. I just wanted to let you know that you can comment, subscribe at the bottom. Make sure you click that notification bell and like it. Okay, like my video, because I don't do these often, but I really need to get into the habit of doing them. And so, yeah, I do have a new unboxing video that I will be doing here in 2 days. So stay tuned. It is on the portable nail table. Biotique, okay? Biotique has a portable nail table, and I'm going to unbox it and show you guys how to use it, work it, and all that great jazz. So, yeah, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see, because I'm on a mission to get everything completed this year, especially it touching the end of the year. I really want to make sure I get everything done. And so vlogging has been one of my worst things I've ever tried to do. And so I'm going to try to get that done. And so, yeah, like I said, I am excited about this shipment. This is a good unboxing. You guys go check them out. Go check out KIARA Sky. I did not get paid for this review, by the way. And I just wanted to let everybody know that this is bomb. This duo set is worth every freaking dollar. So don't hesitate to go buy that. And please don't hesitate to go ahead and comment down below, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.